Have you ever felt like you were in love with the thought of someone? Like maybe you didn't miss them, but just the comfort that they brought. And sometimes we run to things that aren't best for us because they are what's comfortable. We find ourselves in loops and never-ending cycles because we fall in love with this idea of who they are rather than actually who they are. I saw a tweet that said, "It's okay to feel sad after making the right decision." It's the same with a lot of bad addictions or anything. We run to them because it brings us comfort, and we are sad when we depart, even though it's for the better. And I see so much truth in that tweet. Sometimes pursuing healthiness isn't comfortable, and it's always best to move on from just the idea of loving someone.